Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag using a VPN. If you are playing Rocket League and dealing with lag, high VPN or rubber band, you must be wondering if using a VPN can help. Before changing anything, play one match without a VPN. If lag is better, then the VPN was the problem. Open your VPN app and connect to the server closest to your real location. Never connect to far away countries because that will increase lag. In Rocket League setting, go to the matching region and set it to the same region as your VPN server. Mismatched region can cause lag. If possible, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. A VPN works much better on a stable wired connection. Always restart the game after turning a VPN on or off so it reconnects properly. Free VPNs are usually slow, crowded, and cause packet loss. If you are using one, it's very likely the reason for lag. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.